Hello students. In previous period we discussed about how to show root 2, root 3, root 7 etc. as irrational numbers. But whenever instead of this single term, if there are two terms like this root 2 plus 3 or 3 plus root 2, right? Just if you want to show such numbers as an irrational number, what is the actual method we are going to discuss now, right? Now suppose if you take one example 3 plus root 2, right? There are two terms, so how to show these numbers as an irrational number? We are using contradictory method. Contradictory method means here we have to show irrational number, that we are going to suppose it completely wrongly. That means it's not a irrational, it's a rational number. Now we are going to discuss this as a rational number. Suppose 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. Rational number. As we know, every rational number can be expressed in terms of p by q form. This is p by q form, where p and q are integers. After transposing this rational number on the 3 as a rational number, just we can transpose this on right hand side. So p by q minus 3. After taking LCM, it becomes p minus 3q by q, right? As we know, p, q and 3 are integers. This implies p minus 3q by q becomes rational number, because if we choose any value of p, q, any integers, we can, instead of this p and q, if we put any integer, then we get this value, complete value, as a rational number. But we know that root 2 is an irrational number. Just this implies this term is irrational number. Therefore, this is irrational number. That is equals to this term is now rational number. This is rational number. But none of the number in the number system is rational as well as irrational. Therefore, which is not possible. Because our supposition is, therefore our supposition is wrong. What it implies then? This implies 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number.